Hello guys, welcome back to the Scoop updates. So on this video right now, I'm going to share with you guys on how you can get your hamster key easily and the best and easy way to get it. So all you have to do right now to help me right now is only for you to subscribe and also like this video. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Okay, so guys, for you to get your hamster key, you have to focus on this video so that I will show you the correct thing that you have to do so that you get it without wasting much of your time. Okay, can you see this picture right now over here? So this is the only way you can get it easy. Okay, so for you to get it, you can also get your second phone so that you can save this picture on it. Then once you're looking on it, then you're going to get it. But mind you that this one is not for today's own. Okay, so don't use this one. So for you to get your today's own, you need to kindly join my WhatsApp group on the bio or join my Telegram group so that you can see it whenever I post it. Okay, so if you have any question to ask, make sure you join my WhatsApp group so that you will get your answer immediately. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay.